In this video, I'm sharing the exact blueprint behind 3 AI businesses that turned simple ideas into 6 figures revenue, including one that reached $10,000 of monthly revenue in its first month. Then we'll break down exactly how the founders built these businesses, how they're making money, and most importantly, how you can start your own AI business in 2025. If you do want to join the new rich and grow your own $1 million digital business, then check the link in the description. I've personally built and sold 2 businesses, and I'll show you how to do it too. Let's start with supermeme.ai, an AI-powered meme generator that's making $5,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Supermeme.ai solves a simple problem that many marketers face. Creating memes is time-consuming and requires creativity. The tool works by letting you type in what you want your meme to be about. The AI then automatically finds the right template and creates a meme for you. You can move the text around and make it look more natural and user-generated. It's interesting to note that this entire business is run by 3 people who have never even met in person. They operate completely through a WhatsApp group and have bi-monthly Zoom calls. Their pricing is super simple, with a solo plan at $9.99 per month, and that gives you 100 credits. The startup plan costs $24.99 per month with unlimited credits and priority support. The website itself gets over 230,000 monthly visitors, which is impressive for a very small business. And they've grown to over 250 paying customers and more than 600,000 signups. The surprising part is that they've spent $0 on marketing. All their growth has been organic. Their total lifetime revenue is only $50,000 so far, but I could see this growing significantly as they improve the tool and get more customers onto the paid plans. The tool is super popular with social media marketers, people creating blog posts, and even making presentations. This business shows how solving a specific problem with AI can create a small but profitable business without any marketing budget. Next up is SiteGPT, an AI chatbot tool that turns your website content into an interactive assistant. SiteGPT helps businesses provide 24/7 customer support without hiring a team of agents. Here's how it works. You connect your website to SiteGPT. The AI automatically reads and indexes all your content. It then creates a custom chatbot that can answer any question based on the information in your website. Visitors can ask questions in natural language and get instant answers. The founder built the first version in just 2 to 3 weeks as a side project while working on another SaaS product. He launched it with minimal expectations, but it quickly gained traction. SiteGPT's pricing is tiered based on usage, ranging from $19 to $4.99 per month. What's really impressive is that SiteGPT reached $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue within its first month after launching. Today, it generates around $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue with approximately 1,000 paying subscribers. And their website gets over 120,000 monthly visitors, not bad for a business that started as a side project. The business could be valued about $500,000 up to $1 million, showing that a simple side project can turn into a valuable business. Our third AI business is TweetHunter, a Twitter growth tool that helps users build and monetize their audience. TweetHunter solves a problem of growing a Twitter following and creating engaging content consistently. So here's how it works. It provides a searchable database of viral tweets for inspiration. The AI helps you write your own high-performing tweets based on successful patterns. It includes scheduling features to post at optimal times. It offers analytics to track your growth and engagement. What's remarkable about TweetHunter is how quickly it scaled. The founders built it in just 1 week and priced it at $9 per month. Within days, they had their first paying customers. Their pricing structure is pretty simple. The Discover plan is $29 per month. The Growth plan is $49 per month, and that's with unlimited AI tools and CRM capabilities. An Enterprise plan is $200 per month with a trainable AI engine. The business grew to $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue in just 1 month after partnering with a Twitter influencer. Within 1 year, they'd scaled to $100,000 in monthly recurring revenue, translating to about $1.2 million in annual recurring revenue. The impressive part is, TweetHunter was eventually acquired for an 8-figure valuation, estimated between $10 to $15 million just a couple of years after launching. So what ideas can you take from these examples to start something yourself in 2025? Firstly, identify a specific problem that frustrates a particular group of people. The more specific, the better. Notice how Supermeme focused just on meme creation, not all marketing content. Start small and focus in. All 3 businesses that we discussed began with a minimum viable product that did one thing really well. You don't need to build a complex solution right away. Then leverage existing AI tools and APIs. You don't need to build your own AI from scratch. Build a simple landing page that clearly explains what your tool does and how it solves the problem. Then keep your pricing straightforward with a free trial or freemium model to lower the barrier to entry. Look to find your initial users where they already hang out. If you're building for marketers, share on Twitter or LinkedIn. If it's for developers, try Reddit or Hacker News. Collect feedback obsessively and then iterate quickly. The beauty of AI businesses is that you can improve on them rapidly based on user input, and focus on that organic growth first. All three businesses that we discussed grew initially through word of mouth and content marketing before spending money on ads. So you don't need to be a technical genius or have millions in funding to start your own AI business. The founders of Supermeme, they operate from a WhatsApp group. The creator of SiteGPT built his first version in a few weeks as a simple side project. There's tons of untapped potential with low-cost tools at your fingertips, so launching your own business is more doable now than ever before. So guys, if you have any questions, leave them below. If you do want to build and sell your own AI-powered business, then consider joining The New Rich. If you do want to build and sell your own $1 million business, then visit thenewrich.com. Also, if you want to stay up to date on the fastest way to make money with AI, then we have a free Telegram channel and the link is in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.